6'2", but they broke me across the back. By a name I'm known, that's not my own. They call me Crooked Jack. The ganger's blue, I boy was I, Big Jack could do no wrong. And the reason was simply because I could work for hours and long. I've seen men old before their time, their faces drowned in grey. But I never thought so soon would mine be lined in the self-same way. I was tall and true, all of 6'2", but they broke me across the back. By name I'm known, that's not my own. They call me Crooked Jack. I was tall and true, all of 6'2".
Hi guys, I wanted to make that video before, but problem is my card crashed and I lost all the videos I have made so far. So today I wanted to talk about my Survival Carabiner. Maybe it's a bit less windy here, so let's see what I have on my carabiner. So first, the reason why I carry a Survival Carabiner for years now is that it's the only thing that will stay stuck to your belt even if you fall in the water or something like that. You can imagine the worst scenario, and you will probably have most of the gear you have on that carabiner. So first thing, this is a non-locking carabiner, because at the time I bought this one I didn't have the money to find the more expensive ones, so I took a simple carabiner. This is Black Hawk Industries key silencer, and the reason why I have this is to keep all my pack together, avoid making too much noise. This is mostly for when I do what I call tactical survival, which implies being the most discreet, as discreet as possible. And now the gear on the carabiner. So, filme par au-dessus si jamais, je sais pas, tu vois quelque chose là? I have 1 meter paracord. This is mostly for first aid or to light a fire using the bow and drill method. Then I have an aluminium whistle, and the reason why I use on this kit a metallic whistle is because it's subject to a lot of shocks with your equipment. Sometimes you may sit on your keychain, survival keychain, so I wanted to have something sturdier. This is not a real survival whistle, but it's perfect for what I need it to. Now, something like 4 meters of jute twine. Well, there's a bit less because I've used a lot. I mostly use that for various attachments, as it's natural, so if you left it in the woods, it's not a problem. It will break and, well, not dissolve, but fray and disappear in a certain period of time. But it's also really great to light fire, so I mostly see that as a spark catcher to light a fire. It burns really quickly, so you have to have everything at hand to build a small fire. Now what I've added to this kit is a simple cold steel ready edge, super edge. It's a nice little knife. I would have preferred to have a plain edge instead of a serrated one, but it's really perfect to have a small knife at hand. But the main reason why I have this knife, it's because it strikes an excellent spark on my fire steel, so you don't have any problem if you don't have the scraper. You have this knife and you can light a fire really easily. Now, as you've seen, I have a fire steel, army style. It's pretty worn off by now. And the two last things, so this is a simple Pelican L1 flashlight. Well, it's not the most useful gear in your kit, but you never know, maybe you're walking in the night, you can have to watch for dangers, so it's really great to have one at hand. And now this is a monkey's pill fob. I must say, all the gear I have here now, it's my improved kit. I have improved it each time I go outdoors and use only what I really need out in the woods. And I wanted to add such a pill fob because you can put tinder, maybe first aid, stuff like pills, painkillers, or well, for now I have matches. It's not really what I wanted, but it's just now for the test. I will make put it inside water purification tabs, I think, maybe a small fishing kit. I don't know, I will see. Maybe if I can find a small enough compass, I will put that inside. I don't really know for now, but this is in test to improve my kit. So now you have all the equipment here: key silencer, whistle, 1 meter, maybe a bit more of paracord, cold steel super edge, about 5 meters of jute twine, Pelican L1, monkey's key fob, pill fob, and Swedish Army style fire steel, and of course the carabiner. So this is my kit. It's the best kit I've built for now for survival, and I'm pretty happy with what I have on that kit. With that, I will always have a knife, any kind of knife, but I prefer to have my idun or any fixed blade knife. And well, the last thing I'd like to have, the two last things with that kit, to have a complete kit for a long period survival, is a poncho and of course a water bottle like Gaia design, or even just a stainless steel cup to purify my water and cook some dinner in it. So with all that kit, I would have the complete kit I'd really need, the minimal kit I would need for comfortable survival, and well, more self-reliance than survival indeed. So this kit covers all my basic needs. So guys, I hope this video was useful, and I thank you for watching, and see you soon. Bye bye. Et puis pas out sur